I haven't been live for a little bit. Well, I guess I did a few weeks ago. Just shifting gears. Well, I shouldn't say shifting gears a little bit, but just wanted to give a quick announcement. In the next few days, I'm going to be announcing a webinar, a live webinar that I'm putting on 2 weeks from tomorrow. And it's all about the how to be your biggest and best self in whatever area you want. These are the 3 things that I'm noticing with people across the board, men, women, kids, is that you're either stuck, like stuck in the muck, that it feels like you're drowning in mud and you can't get up. And nothing is that good. You feel like you should be doing things, or you feel like there's parts missing, but you're not sure what to do and where to go. Number 2, you're moving, but you're just spinning, or you're like the road runner that just hits the door and goes back, and then moving and hits the door and goes back. And then that 3rd one is you're doing stuff, like the door is open, but something isn't quite right. Or you are coming up against this time and place that you need to invest or be more vulnerable, or have a little bit more courage, or break through that limiting belief. And it's like, oh, this is super uncomfortable and I'm not sure what to do. So I'm finding that those 3 people, like we all want to be better. And I think in these times, you see the people who are like, screw it, this is where I'm going. And you see that is like 1 or 2% of the population. And the rest of the people are kind of just throwing in the towel of like, well, this is going to be 2020. So my point, I don't, well, 2021 is going to be no different if that's our mindset moving into 2021. Magically, the morning of January 1st, 2021 is not going to be any different unless you make it different. So these are the things we're going to really dig into. Mindset. How do you unlock that mindset to think different than average? How can you start living in your genius every day? How do you know what your genius is? What are those gifts? And how do you live them? How do you take the risk, maybe, to be a little bit more of yourself, to get into there? How do you listen to your body? Like, what is your body's voice? I don't know. Most people are like, I don't know, I just keep on going. I just keep on pushing. Yeah. So how do we listen to your body and start to understand what that looks like? And then success, tactics, mindset, roadmaps. It'll be a 90-minute webinar, live webinar. And so I'm going to be talking about a lot of different things. The Align Life Academy is going to be opening again. And so I'll be able to talk about all the things that I'm doing for the people who want more. If this is not you, it's totally okay. If this isn't you, I probably annoy the shit out of you in this group. So it's okay if you don't need another group to follow where Tiff goes, posts and goes live often. There will be more interaction in this group because I want it to be people who want more and who are looking for more in whatever area. If it's in your health, if it's in your marriage, if it's in your financial health with money, if it's success, if it's purpose, whatever it is, like the reason that we're put on this planet is to do what we're put on this planet to do. And it's for us to figure that out. So I don't care if it's COVID or not. I'm just saying I don't care. I care about all of you who are struggling with COVID. But personally, that's not going to stop me from this path. So I want anyone who thinks like me to be in the circle. I want that to be the room that we can really talk about how to get better, how to be better than average or below average, how to get out of the mindset that now's not the time, or that you're scared or uncertain, or things are rocky everywhere. I need to create stability here, so I'm just going to stay in this situation for a little bit longer. If any of this sounds like you, stay tuned. I believe you're on the our email list. If you're not, just put your email in here and we can get you loaded into there too. There's going to be plenty of communication via email and on Facebook. And it's really exciting. I've been working really hard the last 6 months, and I shouldn't even say I've been working hard, but I decided that light needs to be carried down this path that so many people are afraid to walk down. And so we're going to come together and learn together, and then talk about, if you want more, then I can give you some opportunities to do that. So happy Monday. Stay tuned. Like I said, when there's more activity in this group, just understand I gave you a warning. If it's not you, it's okay. You don't need to be part of this group. I know sometimes certain groups that are a little bit too much. It's okay. It's okay not to be part of everything that I do either. So love you all. Happy Monday, and make this the best week ever.